Want to get started with investing into meme coins but don't know where to start from? Don't worry, you're in the right place. So let's go ahead and get started with exploring the best meme coins to buy right now, how you can go ahead and get started with finding them, and what you should go ahead and look out for when getting into meme coins. But before I get to that, just remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and you should always remember to make the decision for yourself when deciding to invest into a project. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. Let's go and take a look at what it's all about. The first step we are going to start from is CoinMarketCap, guys. CoinMarketCap is your all-in-one hub for finding any crypto token that you want, even though it's not the best for exploring new meme coins that have been created this week or something similar. They are the best for finding everything regarding that coin. What we can also do on CoinMarketCap is take a look at a specialized leaderboard. So obviously, if you go into cryptocurrency section, you're going to see the serious cryptocurrencies right here: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, BNB, and so on. That is going to go ahead and all be available right here for taking a look at. But what we can do is go into the view section and take a look at the memes. So here at the top of the screen, you can get started taking a look at the meme coins, and this is what we're looking for. Here we can go ahead and take a look at the top meme tokens by market capitalization. So here is where we can get started. Here you can go and see the top ones. Obviously, the top ones are not what we want to look at. Meme coins are not here for you to invest into them once they have already exploded, or in Dogecoin's case, already amassed a huge base and have not moved in the price in the last couple of months. Anything notable? So what we're looking for is those that have just started gaining traction. Obviously, we cannot find much of that right here, even though we can find the dog we've had, which also made a commotion once it came out, Flocky, and so on. What we can do is go ahead and find some other explore options such as Pump.fun. Pump.fun is great for new tokens that you can go ahead and search for. That's going to show you and let you explore coins that have just been born and that are only getting started with the uprise and that you can get into. So here we have the Black Bull. That has been a big thing, guys, that a lot of people have gotten into in the last couple of weeks. And here we have the explore section. So we can go into explore right here, the left side of the screen on Pump.fun, and get started seeing what is being born. So here we have every second it's changing. You can see the tokens that are being born. The Dune token, this looks interesting. TikTok coin, this has been available for a couple of hours already right here, and people are getting into it. It's growing day by day, hour by hour. It's increasing, and here you can get started getting into it. So you can get started reconnect your wallet on such sites like this one. Always make sure to find a credible site such as Pump.fun that is always going to be secure with your information. So here you can get started reconnect your wallet to trade for a token. So once you found the desired token, you can get started getting into it. Now, what you can also do if you cannot make your best decisions based on the info you have gotten is go and just basically search for articles, see what people are talking about. You can go to Google, you can search for best meme coins to buy right now. You can take a look at the articles right here by people who know what they're talking about, such as crypto news. You can read about what is being said. You can go ahead and go to similar sites, see what is being provided to you. Always make sure that the tokens you're investing into aren't in the pre-sale phase, such as Bitcoin Hyper, guys, because they are usually not going to go and they're not very safe to get into. You want to make sure to go ahead and take a look at the tokens you can already cash out on if you're interested once it gains traction. The pre-sale phases are not something you want to be taking a look at and are usually not safe. You can also go to Twitter. Twitter is a very great source for finding new meme tokens. You can search for meme coin or something similar, what meme coin to buy in the search bar and see what people are saying. Here, as you can see, here we have a random thread of somebody asking for a meme coin. That's going to do like this, and if you enter, you can see all the replies right here by people as well. This one doesn't look too safe. It seems like it's in the pre-sale phase. If not, you can go and get into it. Actually, it's not. It's already listed. It has a market cap, so you can go ahead and get into. This is the kind of token that you want to be searching for. This is what you want to make sure that the token has already been listed, and then you can get into it and get out of it without any hassle if it starts to increase in the price. So this is how to get started exploring new meme tokens. You have tons of them right here. As you can see, the Chikawa token right here, Jimothy the Raccoon, Tung 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 Secure, all of these are tokens that have been trending right now, and you can get started with exploring them right here. You can find those that have a market cap. You can list them by market cap, TNOS right here, Farcoin, User, all of that is going to be available right here. You can take a look at the Mayhem ones. They're making Mayhem right here now. The speed run to 1 billion. This looks exciting, as you can see right here, and you have the movers as well. So this is how to get started exploring new meme tokens. tokens. If you want to go ahead and learn how to find and recognize the best ones, you can find more videos on our channel or similar articles showing you what you need to take a look at out for. Make sure it's not false buyers, guys. Make sure it has not been pumped and dumped, and that you're not going to go ahead and lose your investment. So you want to make sure the tokens are having charts that look good. They are not just one big green line and it's going to be dumped already and you're going to lose all your investment. So always make the smart decision. So basically this is how to get started. What I suggest for you to do, go take a look at the meme section right here on CoinMarketCap, take a look at Pump.fun, what it has to offer, and always make sure to invest only the money that you can afford to lose. So there you have it, guys. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on so you can always be notified when we upload a new video. But again, thanks for watching today's one. I hope you'll see you next one, and bye.